Yeah. Oh man, I'm in that scan. Currently in the middle of scanning a property just now in Loch End Road in Edinburgh, and it's an interesting one. So I thought I'll show you around it. It's not too big. It's quite easy to show around. But when I go to properties, I like to try and imagine or try and guess the kind of either the owner or the property or all that kind of stuff. And there I am, the blurry spot on that scan. So I'll delete that scan and I'll rescan once I get out. So this property, the reason why it's interesting is it's not as you'd expect. So as you come in, you've got nice tiled floors there, good painted walls. It looks like it's been freshly painted. It looks like it's almost fresh carpet as well. We've got a multitude of flooring here. We've got tiles there, carpet here, laminate flooring here, grey flooring in the bathroom, then tiling in the kitchen. So kitchen, again, as a rental property, as a sales property, good. It's very neutral. It's nice to put together. It's a nice solid floor as well. Nice big table. That obviously won't be staying. That'll be the not part of the sales particulars. But there's something interesting about this one when you kind of go into the shape of it as well. So here, well, it doesn't have a bathroom. So this is the whole bathroom for the house. You've got your toilet sink and your wet room style shower. But it's also interesting how there's this massive thing here. So that is quite unusual. So you've got your fan vent there, and then this big bit of wall here. Is that? I'm trying to wonder if that's a vent. But no, there's an extractor fan up there, but that is way above the height of that, so I don't know. And then even this room has got another increased ceiling. So maybe this was originally chopped up into much smaller rooms, and they've done something with that bit up there. Not too sure. Again, interesting. A little bit of tiling on the wall, but no other tiling around the house. And then very deep walls with a little wooden surround. Interesting. So trying to guess the kind of person that either owns this place or has been renting it out. You always kind of look at what kind of pictures do they have on the walls. There's a kind of dancing picture. Interesting. And again, the fireplace. That's a beautiful looking fireplace with the wooden surround of that as well. And then you kind of think, what about the books? I think these are just all stuff that have been left by tenants, because it's a real mishmash of books there. But certainly well painted. Oh, but hold on, yeah, look, massive chandelier. Well, not massive, but like that is quite sparkly. Quite sparkly for this place. And then I have to go down the hall. Again, a little bit of artwork here. That's nice. But it's very different from everything else. And then the other two rooms. So it's a 2-bedroom property. One double, one single. This one could be advertised as a double as well. This one with the boiler inside it here. Ground floor. And that's just, so I thought, and like the boiler vent goes out there as well. And that doesn't have any sort of water tank. So it's not like that going into the bathroom along there either. But yeah. Interesting little property. In the hall, you've got just a little cupboard for fuses, but then it just must mean properly thick wall in there. But yeah, what kind of person lives in a house like this, or furnishes a house like this, from chandeliers to multiple different floorings to, and then we've got like a Japanese or what's kanji up there, is it Chinese or Japanese thing, wall rug going on there, It's a mystery. It's a mystery. I love these mysteries. Trying to figure out how it's done, but also just how this property must have been in the past. With walls like that. Does that even come through to the hall? No. So this is higher than the hall. Don't know what's going on here. Then this section here, which isn't like doesn't feel solid, but they've obviously just put something around it. And then the tiling, white small tiles, then black and white tiles. Interesting shower. That's a funky looking one. Tiling all around. The reason why I'm interested is we're getting our own bathroom done at the moment. We're trying to figure out the tiles that we get. These are very small tiles. I'd imagine these come in bigger squares that you plonk on. You're not going to do every individual little square. That would, yeah, you can see maybe there's a slightly larger gap there. But good tiling. Good job on the tiling, Mr. Tyler, whoever did that. But yeah, what do you think of this place? How much do you think this would cost where you live? Once this is up for sale, I'll put the price in the description down below. Bye bye.